In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to buy bulk Target e-gift cards online. Let's get started. First and best option is to use Target's official corporate gift card program. Target has a dedicated business to business or B2B program designed for organizations purchasing 10 or more gift cards. To get started, visit the official Target corporate gift card page and create a corporate account. If you need assistance with the order, you can contact Target's dedicated B2B team by phone or email. With this program, you can choose between digital e-gift cards, which are sent directly to the recipients by email, or physical gift cards shipped in bulk to a single address. Businesses may also qualify for volume-based pricing discounts and can choose from a variety of gift card designs. Another option is to purchase bulk Target gift cards through third-party businesses gifting platforms. Perfect Gift is a great choice for HR and finance teams because it has no minimum order size and allows you to customize digital or physical Target gift cards with your company logo. eGifter Rewards is ideal for businesses that want to send digital rewards to a secure portal or API. You can upload employee or customer list and instantly deliver Target e-gift cards by email or text message. Gift2Gram offers zero fees, free custom branding, and even supports same-day digital delivery. Before placing your order, compare the available options and choose the server that best fits your organization's need, whether you are looking for bulk discounts, custom branding, automated delivery, or large-scale corporate rewards. And that's how you can easily buy Target gift card in bulk online. If this guide helps you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.